Hey everybody, welcome back to Tanya Patterson. Today, I'm going to be showing you my 2 new slimes I made. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first new slime I made is called Bluealicious Cloud Slime. It's actually a very good slime. So, by the way, you should go check out my cousin's channel. I forgot her channel. Wow. How do I fit my own cousin's channel? Oh yeah, her name is well, my other cousin, they're twins. So I kind of forgot their name. And then my third cousin, so I don't know if I have 4th cousins, you guys. Comment down below if you have a 4th cousin. Now, comment down below if you have one. Cause I don't think. So yeah, this is some cloud slime. You can kind of see. And I'm filming on YouCam Makeup. So if you keep seeing like the slime go right here and like the thing going on the slime, well, that's just the app, and that's what it does. So yeah, it's a really good slime, guys, and it's cloud slime. If you're wondering how I make it, you just go to the Dollar Tree and buy Angel of Mine diapers for $1. For five of them. Yeah, I would be my mom would not allow me to wear this makeup. So yeah, that's the cloud slime. And the slime I made yesterday. Okay, it's gonna come out right now. And this one's just plain Tide slime. Nothing really fancy about it. Just add some shaving cream, some glue, and some lotion. That's all you really need. I mean, that's true. Guys, can I show you something? Look, guys, since I'm on like a website thing, you can make up. Look, it like. Whoa. Well, I don't know what I was saying. But yeah. I thought. Let me try one. Now, does it do it? Comment down below if it does it. If it did it. Because I cannot see. Let me try one more time. Ready? Ooh, guys. And there's my bubble. Oh, sorry. It's kind of sunny outside, so you can. So yeah, it's the slime. I kind of like the slime better than the cloud slime. I don't know, but. Okay, yeah, you guys, I'm gonna get on my knees a little bit. Comment down below if you're the Slime Master. Our today's sponsored by YouCam Makeup. I'm kidding, guys. Don't believe me. It is not sponsored by YouCam Makeup. Okay, people? Not sponsored. Not. Guys. Oh my gosh. Look at my hair. It's so beautiful. Yeah, 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 yeah. There went my hair color. It went gone. And I think I just look better normal. Comment down below, guys. If I just look better normal or not. So, comment down below. If I look better normal or not. I'm going to do a tone. And then this one makes my hair look shiny. I like it. Oh, that one. Yeah. So. Yep, you guys. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And yeah, that was just a pretty short video. But bye, YouTube. Peace out, y'all. Love y'all.